Do you have a garbage disposal and does it stink and you're wondering how to clean it out? Well, follow along and I'm going to show you how. All right, so if you have a garbage disposal, then most likely that you don't realize it's second nature. You take your food, you throw it down the disposal, you hit it, the water, and you put it on. And that's it. From there, you're like, everything's good to go. But what if I told you there is a lot of bacteria, dirt, and grime that is caked up in your garbage disposal that you're going to have to clean out? I'm going to show you how. Anybody could do it. It's not hard. And afterwards, it'll be clean. Do it every 6 months or so, and you don't have to worry about anything growing inside your garbage disposal. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure all your dishes are out of the sink. Second thing you're going to want to do is grab yourself some ice. That's simple. And you're going to take the ice and you're going to shove it down into the disposal. You're going to get it all up in there. That's going to be packed, but you can't go anymore. So you're going to move the ice out of the way that's left in there. And you're going to turn it on. I kind of like to use a fork, kind of just keep feeding it ice. It's like the ice monster. It's going to make a slushy. All right, that was step one. Step two, I like to just take standard bleach, drop it down the drain. I would say use about a cup. So go ahead and let that sit for 15 minutes. And what that's going to do is that's going to kill any bacteria that's down on the ground right next to where the grinding mechanism is, where food could get stuck in it. So step one, ice. Step two, bleach. Wait 15 minutes, and then I'll tell you what to do for step three. All right, we're back. So it sat for about 15 minutes. It really, you could smell the bleach is working, and it's killing whatever is in the garbage disposal. Go ahead and rinse it with hot water. This last step might just be a little bit of overkill, but I do like to take baking soda, put it down the drain. That's good. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take some white vinegar and dump that down the drain. What that's going to do is it's going to fizz up, and then it's going to get up on the higher side of the garbage disposal, and anything that the ice didn't catch, and of course the last flush with the bleach, then the white vinegar is going to suds up and then really clean the walls of your garbage disposal. So that reaction's happening pretty quickly, and it's fizzing, and it's getting all the suds in there, and it's really starting to clean it all, which is good. And that's it. Go ahead and rinse that down. Put your stove on. And then the last thing I like to do is remove the rubber piece, grab some Dawn dish soap or anything that you have close by, put it on top of that, put it around the mouth of the disposal, grab yourself a little brush, and then you're just gonna scrub the drain inside, around. You're gonna get all that grime that might have caught in the drain before it went down into the disposal. And then you're gonna go ahead and clean that rubber piece. just like so. Get the hot water back, clean it out. It's like brand new. Put it back on before you run the disposal for the last time, or everything will go all over the place. Let me go show you what a clean disposal looks like. So there you go. Rubber piece. It's like brand new. And I don't know if you could see that, but it is shiny. And keep in mind, this garbage disposal is 5 years old and we use it every day. All right, that's it. Super simple. Anybody could do it. Like I said, there is other techniques that are probably out there, but this is the technique that I've been using and it's been working. For the last 4 years, you saw my garbage disposal. It looks brand new on the inside. So every 6 months or so, I go ahead and do the ice trick. Then I go ahead and do the bleach trick to kill any of the bacteria in there. And then after that's flushed out, I go ahead and follow it up with the baking soda and the vinegar to really get all the little pieces that might have been left behind. Thanks for watching. Do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button if you did like the video. Subscribe if you never want to miss the content that I'm putting out there. And always remember, stay handy, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.